Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the fastest, simplest way to create an HDR color profile for your monitor. And if you're a gamer, you're definitely going to want to use HDR with the calibrated HDR profile. So open up the Microsoft Store app and type in the word HDR, and then you're going to want to select and install the Windows HDR Calibration app. After you installed the app, click Launch. When you launch it, this is what the app looks like right here. And if you get this little message that says that HDR is turned off, click on the link that says Open Display Settings. That's going to open up this window right here. And here you can toggle HDR on just by hitting this toggle switch, okay? After you've toggled on HDR, you're gonna run the calibration. It takes about 30 seconds maybe to run the calibration. And every screen you get to, you're going to have kind of crosshairs on the screen, and there's a slider at the bottom, and you're going to want to adjust that slider until the crosshairs disappear. And then you'll go to the next screen. You do that 3 times, and then you can set the vibrance level, which is also a slider, and you hit save. That's going to save the color profile to a folder on your hard drive, to a system folder. And once you have that saved, I'm going to go ahead and open up this application here from the start menu called Color Management. So we're going to open the Color Management up. Here's what that looks like. And you'll want to select your display, your monitor, which is associated with whatever video card you have the monitor plugged into. And you should see the calibrated color profile that you just made. It should be listed as an HDR profile. If it's not, or it doesn't show up in here, just click on Add. That opens up a little pop-up window, and from here you can find and select that calibrated profile you just created. Check the box that says Add as HDR profile, hit OK. Then it'll show up like this. My recommendation is to hit the Set as Default profile on this. Then jump over to Advanced and set the Windows Color System default device profile to your HDR calibrated profile. Okay, and then you can close this window. I have another video that goes into the details and the process on ensuring that your color profile loads at Windows startup. So that video will be linked at the end, but fundamentally, if for some reason your HDR color profile is not loading when Windows starts up, then check out that video and you'll see how to solve for that problem.